Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 3, English, Lesson number 7, Khashaba Jadhav, Part 2. When Khashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit at Olympic Games. The boots were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Khashaba Jadhav won a sixth place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Khashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. Khashaba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Khashaba's village also helped. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Khashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 boots quite easily. He won each boot within 5 minutes. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The boot lasted for 15 minutes. Khashaba lost the match, but by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the boot, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Khashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second boot. Khashaba lost in the boot with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. When Khashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in the village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of doles. Khashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first boot to raise money not for himself, but for the principal who had given his house for sending Khashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. Khashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win great honors for our motherland? So this is an inspiring story of Khashaba Jadhav, who got the medal, the first medal for India through wrestling. So children, even we as the citizens of India should always try to do our best in whichever field we like to. Okay? So the question answers I'll be sending you on your WhatsApp. Okay children? Thank you.